My name is Urmila Nivangune. Today's topic is string methods in Java and today's date is 22 February 2022. So basically string is a sequence of character and also string is a class, or we can say string is a predefined class in Java. As string is a predefined class, this class is also having methods which are already implemented by developers of Java. That methods are known as predefined methods. So we will see some predefined methods of string in Java. First method is caret. Caret method is used to get the character at specified index. Uh, for this method, we can give index and we can get character placed at that index. The return type of that method is character. Then second method is length. Length method is used to calculate the length of string, and the return type of length method is integer. Then third method is substring. Substring method is used to get the substring of given string, and the return type of the substring method is string. Then contains method. Uh, in contains method we get if a specified character is present in the string or not. The content methods return type is boolean. We can get answer in true or false. If the character is present in string, then it returns true, and if the character is not present in string, then it returns false. Then equals method is used to check the equality of string. Then the return type of equals method is boolean. It returns true if both the strings are equals, and it returns false if the strings are different. Then uh, next method is concat method. Concat method is used to join the two different strings and return the string which contains both of strings. The return type of concat method is string. Then replace method is used to replace the character at specific index. If there is a character which want to replace by specific character, then replace by using replace method, we can replace that character uh, by which we want to replace with. The return type of replace method is string. Then split method is used to separate the strings on the basis of specific character. The return type of split method is string. Then index of method. By using index of method, we can get index of specific character. uh, that means if we give parameter a specific character, then it returns the index of that specific character. The return type of index of method is integer. Then lowercase, two lowercase method is used to convert the string into lowercase characters. The return type of two lowercase method is string. Two uppercase, next one is two uppercase method. uh, Two uppercase method is used to convert the string into uppercase characters. Return type of two uppercase method is string. Then trim method is used to remove the leading and trailing spaces from string. The then return type of trim method is string. Then is empty method is used to check whether the string is empty or not. If the string is empty, then it returns true, and if the string is non-empty, then it returns false. Then blank method is used to check if the string is blank or not. The return type of blank method is boolean. So uh, these are some methods or predefined methods of string class. Thank you.